everyone, it's June Penny and welcome back to my video. Before I get started, let me give you all a big old hug and tell you all how much I love and appreciate every single one of you. So yes, it's Vlogmas day 1 and I'm so excited to bring this video because today for my first video I am making a keto-friendly pumpkin cheesecake. I had this for Thanksgiving and let me tell you something, you guys, I am floored that this could be just very low sugar and it is amazing. And I have my sugar-free whipped cream. So if you want to know how to make this delicious pie, let's get started. Okay, so you need coconut flour, you need swerve or erythritol, some kind of sugar replacement. You need pure vanilla extract, a can of pumpkin, you need ground cinnamon, you need cream cheese, 16 ounces softened, you hear me? 2 eggs, large eggs, 2 pie plates or 1 large pie plate, and parchment paper as well. You're going to set the oven for 350 degrees. And now I'm going to take the softened cream cheese and put it in. I'm only taking 8 ounces first because this is a very small food processor. So I want to make sure that everything's nice and evenly mixed. So I'm just gonna put that in really fast, see? And then I'm going to take pumpkin, I'm gonna put it on just like this. And then I'm gonna put the cream cheese quickly right over that. And now I am going to blend it up. Blend it. Yes, little spurts. Make sure that thing is all, you hear me? Make sure everything is evenly distributed. Okay, so now I'm going to take 1 cup of swerve. Yep, 1 cup of that. 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. And 1 tablespoon of coconut flour. And we're going to blend that up really, really well. It is really full. It's coming out the sides, look at that. But see how nice and blended it's getting. Now this is what it looks like, but I see that it's too filled to the top, so I have no room to put my eggs, so I'm gonna put it in a bowl right now. Put it in a bowl, and I'm gonna use a hand mixer. So I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. Make sure it's really, really blended well. And then I'm going to take 2 eggs, plop them in there, and I'm just going to blend slightly. Like I just want it to mix, not really blend, like don't over mix it. So just going to blend very easily. Just like so. And then I'm going to take a spoon and just mix it up. Make sure it's nice and blended, that's it. And now I am going to grease my pie plates as well as the parchment paper. Just like so, this very important tip. And then I am going to, after I'm done doing this, I'm going to pour the mixture on top of the parchment paper that's on top of the pie plate. And then I'm just going to evenly distribute it around the pie plate. And then I am going to take this wonderful looking pie and I am going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes. Okay, so 40 minutes is done and I'm taking it out. Oh, it looks so good. It smells so good, you guys. And now I am going to leave this out for 2 hours and then refrigerate for 4 hours. And I'll see you when that's done. I'm going to dig in. Now you know, I pre-cut this. You guys know I can only have a little bit. I think this should have set for a little bit longer, but I'm going to have a little piece. I'm so excited. I hope it tastes as good as my sister-in-law's. Oh. Look at this, you guys. You ready? And now for the taste. This is so amazing. Like, I cannot even believe that this is low sugar, keto friendly. Like, how could this be? I need, this is gonna get me filled up pretty quick. The little pouch is so low. Again, here we go. Ready? Let's zoom in for this. I'm a little delirious here. It is absolutely perfect, and if you follow the directions exactly how I did it, it will come out like this. This is amazing. You know what I can do? I can sprinkle walnuts on this. Oh my gosh, this is good. Okay, guys. I can't have any more, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be a part of my Vlogmas 2019. So stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 2 tomorrow. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.